I'm Jim McCann with ShopSmith, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks on installing your dust collector bag without bag clips. Just unfold your bag and make a pleat around the strap. Set the strap up so it just fits over the lower part of the dust collector main housing. I want my strap with the bolt to the left because I'm left-handed. It doesn't matter really. The more pleats you've got, the better it is, because it'll hold on to the strap a little bit better. So about a 6-inch pleat all the way around. You'll adjust that a little bit later, and that holds your bag in place. And then you can just reach up, reach around the back, hold the strap up in place, slip it up, there it goes. I felt it slip over. Now, I've got a multi screwdriver here. This end is a 5/16 nut driver, and all you do now is tighten this a couple of turns. That lets the strap hold the bag in place while you pull a little bit of bag down through so you get a complete fill on your bag. Then you can tighten the strap up, and a new bag is installed, ready to go. Once you received your new bag clips, there should be 3 bag clips and 3 screws. I'll show you how to install them on the dust collector. Only tool you need is a Phillips screwdriver, number 2. Start to screw in. Don't drive it with a power driver. You're apt to strip out the screw, and then you'll be mad at yourself for a week. So that's the first one. The second one is on the opposite side in the front. Put the screw in so that it's facing the little bag clip, and drive that in. The last bag clip goes in the center of the back, right here under the vent for the motor. Again, the screw goes through the bag clip. The little point goes towards the inside, and drive that in. Now that you've installed the bag clips, just slip the bag right under each one. Thank you for watching ShopSmith's tips and tricks on your dust collector.